Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a Redux tutorial on freeCodeCamp, handle an action in the store. So we have the Redux and the store, and now we have an action that's created and it's dispatched. So to make the connection between these two is that the Redux, we have reducers, and this tells Redux how to respond to the action after it's been dispatched. So a reducer takes state and action as an argument, and it always returns a new state. So we can look at here, we're creating a reducer and it takes in state and action. State is the initial state and it's the default state we have here where login is false. And then we have to return, and we want to do something to this state and then return that new state. So I really want to emphasize that it's a pure function, whereas there's no side effects, doesn't call the API. It only returns this new updated state. And it's also important to note that it's read-only. So it returns a new copy of the state. It doesn't like add it, it just returns the entire state as a new copy of it, it enforces the state immutability. So for this exercise, it creates this outline reducer for us. And then it wants us to fill this out so that this reducer, we have a story here that takes in this reducer here. And then when this login action gets dispatched, it returns with that login type login, it updates the login to set to true. So the current state is false and we want to change it to true. So it's a function, and now we have to check the action of it. So we can do an if statement. If the action here, action dot type, remember we looked at the type, is equal to login, we just return login to true. So you see how we're creating a whole new object here. And now else, otherwise it returns the current state. So else return, I think I misplaced the else. So this goes to that, so it goes here, the original state. So that's all for this one. Thank you so much.